Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Model 3. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 1-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.